If you have a people problem, you have an everything problem. Let's get straight to it. You might be thinking, we don't have a people problem, just a person problem. It's Susie who keeps messing up. It's Susie who has a crappy attitude. But here's the thing. How Susie does one thing is how everyone else is doing absolutely everything. Let's look at the signs. Unfollowed up leads, overdue tasks, missing conversion rates in the weekly stakeholders meeting, overdue tasks sitting in the red, clients getting engagement agreements with the wrong names in them. You know the drill. Intake questionnaires not going out before the consult. You feel like you're paying people to create more work for you. More follow-up, more meetings, more re-explaining, more frustration. But here's the truth. Most law firms don't want to hear this. This isn't a people problem. It's a leadership gap. Not the kind that gets fixed with a Monday morning reset or another SOP review meeting or yet another performance plan. It's the kind that requires training your team how to think, not just how to do. We're talking about critical thinking, strategic thinking, the pre, during, and post of everything. Most law firms are stuck because they built a team of order takers instead of solution strategists, right down to the receptionist. Hell, starting with the receptionist. Your admin staff waits to be told what to do. Your intake team is afraid to make decisions. Your marketing coordinator has great ideas, but no structure to speak up, step up, and lead. And meanwhile, you're still the one carrying the firm on your back. If you have a people or a person problem, then you got a production problem, a process problem, and ultimately a profitability problem. And the worst part, you usually don't figure it out until it's oh so late. When your reputation takes a hit, when client satisfaction drops, or when you're staring at that brutal month-end P&L. My personal mission is to transform law firms one employee at a time. And that's why I'm inviting you to our next Law Firm Admin Bootcamp kickoff, July 1st at 4 p.m. Eastern. For the first 10 law firms that enroll, here's my personal mission. 12 weeks of one-on-one strategy calls with me personally. Weekly support to track your team's growth, mindset, and KPIs. A customized report at the end of the 12 weeks showing your firm's transformation, baseline to breakthrough. Yes, this is part of my R&D. Yes, I want your success story. Yes, I want your testimonial. And yes, you will walk away with measurable results that you can absolutely double down on long after the 12 weeks is over. Because when your team is confident, clear, and consistent, everything changes. Clients receive a better experience, revenue becomes predictable, and you finally get your time and freedom back. But if you don't fix the root issue, which always starts with your people, including you, attorney, you'll keep band-aiding the same problems with micromanagement, blow-ups, and turnover. Please don't let this be another quarter where you say, we'll fix it after that next hire. We just need to recover from losing that one golden ticket attorney who just left. We'll revisit it in Q4. We still got time. The fix is here. The clock is ticking and the results are waiting. Get your team into LFAB today. Deadline is looming. We kick off July 1st. And remember, only the first 10 firms will get the bonus strategy experience. Because if you have a people problem or a person problem, you have an everything problem, and we're here to solve it.
I'm so tired of micromanaging. How do I train, manage, and lead? I can't find time to be visionary. Head down in the weeds.